Hi, this is Safiul Azam from Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh. My index and GitHub username is Shiponcox, and today is 26th November 2025. My final project title is Stock Management System. So I have a database, name is stock.db, and currently I have only two table. One is product table and another one is stock transaction. So in my product table I will record the product name, and in the transaction I will record the transaction. And here I have some views and index. So let's enter to the database. So first of all, let's see how many product currently I have. So as you can see, currently I have only two product. So let's add a new one. So here I'm trying to add one new product which is SkyU003, and the product name will be HP laptop charger and stock will be 10. So far so good. So let's see how many product currently I have. So let's run query again. Okay, so as you can see, currently now I have three product. One new product has been added with the current stock 10. So now let's add one transaction. Let's try to change the stock. So here my recently added product ID is 3. So in this query the first one is 3, so that means the product ID is 3. So transaction type will be in and stock will be 5. So by doing this query, our current stock supposed to change. So 5 will be added and the current stock will be changed 10 to 15. So let's see. Let's try again. Okay, so as you can see, the stock has been changed. It's now 15. It was 10 and 5 has been added. So let's run another query, which is again the ID will be 3 and the transaction type will be out. So this time we will minus only 2 stock. So let's run this one. Okay, perfect. So the current stock again need to be changed. So it's supposed to be 13. So let's see. Yes, as you can see, the stock has been changed. So that's it. So my project motto was to record the transaction, record our manage our stock. So let's see how many transaction we have. So earlier it was only 2, and now another 2 has been added. One is in, one is out, and the transaction is there with the date. So that's it. Thank you everyone.